Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. FUD coming on out there and scam alert you need to pay attention to, and I'm going to make you aware of, because I do not want to see anyone lose their crypto. We're going to talk about a Bitcoin, where and what they're doing right now, XRP move and hacker alert, because CZ Binance is saying is very important within the US. In 2054, Ethereum was discovered. Since this morning's video, both USDT and USDC have arrived at their dollar pegs, with USDC rising, while XRP has shown a little bit of life on the hourly chart, rising by around 1%. It's 65 cents worth of stuff. I showed you the Lux lines this morning. If Bitcoin falls, now is the moment to take notice. If it rises to the $40,000 to $42,000 region, however, positive enthusiasm will increase. Only 79 super people remain. And I anticipate that today's total will be significantly smaller than yesterday's. In case you forgot, Lux Lions is my project, my creation, and every month we give back around 240,000 XRP, and all you have to do is hold it. We have just separated the XRP ledger into the top 3, and the next step is to take over the top 2 spots. There's no need to worry, we're already there. Get on the Lux lines now before it's too late, I'm telling you, and is major stuff boiling and brewing. XRP paints the future of Neograph's cryptocurrency in bright colors. He's gazing at Dow 40. Now you have it. Where exactly are we seated right now? It's a piece of cake. 64.32 Fibonacci retracements brings us to the 64-cent mark. Next, we'll shoot for the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which will take us to the $46 mark. How fascinating is this, by the way? I warned you we'd be going sideways for a while once we hit the $50 level, and that it would be a lovely thing to hit the 1.618 key Fibonacci level. After a brief period of sideways movement, investors get concerned that the ball has run out of steam, sparking a wave of Twitter complaints that XRP isn't going anywhere before suddenly resuming its upward trajectory. I mean, no offense. Folks, Dow 46 is only the beginning of an all-time high. Sorry, the 40-second decline was the final few dollars from the all-time high of $96. This is shattered. We forgot to subtract the $3 threshold, and next thing you know, we're in the money and winning big. I've got my sights set on the $10 XRP that so many folks seem to be phoning in for. Remember, $10 XRP, we have hosted the wildest party you have ever seen, and there is even more false information, FUD, being released about this new scam. Daddy. Oh God, he just won't learn. In fact, it's the complete opposite. As unregistered securities, he claimed that what she called Ripple sales to institutions actually was. The individuals involved, she added, did not consider the XRP sales to be the selling of a commodity. The two bills weigh in, Bill Murray and Bill Morgan's attorney. While you seem to think the judge's opinion on XRP can be found in her treatment of the 3 types of sales, he goes your poor understanding of the case, as evidenced by your highlighting an extract from the case in which Judge Torres was expressing her reasons on why that particular category of sales to institutional buyers were investment contracts if it was the SEC who defined the category of sales. It's on pages 14-15 of the section. The section of the ruling where she discusses the token itself is notable because it is titled the XRP token. Something mysterious vanished from the XRP token's very RS, but I can't say what it was. However, the text implies that XRP is tied to the scheme's underlying token in the contract that is being sold. Being offered for sale is not always a security. She then provides an illustration, telling the audience, guys, this is dead easy, Ripple's up, say, 3-0. The remaining issue in his case is minor. That's the part about selling to institutions. As soon as we find it out. Now that the starting gun has been fired, I have a hunch that our team will win every single race. The SEC won't like them promoting their perfect record, so don't even bother. Sure, not any longer. It will put a dent into that. I warned you that even the best athletes in the world occasionally experience defeat. Everyone. It's okay to reach out and touch someone. Many people, including the SEC, have the arrogance to believe that they can do whatever they want. In all the years they were unbeatable, they never had a case go against them. You guys, after all, are the ones who insist on taking this to court. I think it was Gary's exact words, "The courts will figure it out in the courts." Did James rule, "My man, hope all is well with him"? And he says, listen, if you've been hacked or if you've fallen for a scam, head on over to XRP. Foreignex. They're a group that's trying to stop hundreds of instances of financial crime on the XRP ledger at once. So what he's telling you, Foreignex, is that they investigate scam cases. There are a lot of scams out there, especially with all the YouTube videos going around. CZ Binance and the Bitcoin Spot ETF are huge in the United States, but have no traction elsewhere. And of course, we have exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in other parts of the world, and we intend to do the same in the USA. The United States and the institutional markets are going to be the reason that these cryptocurrency markets totally erupt. The amount of money that is currently parked on the sidelines from the main banks in the US is really absurd. They are going to be the reason we get a $4 to $7 trillion market cap of $10+ trillion market cap. It's the money pouring in from the US side of things. We got a Bitcoin whale going on a massive spin selling. We'll call it spending spree. The offloaded 411 rat Bitcoin worth $15.2 million. Interesting, right? Wow, no wonder what they know what they're doing. Wonder who it is, to be quite frank with you. $15.2 million. I'll tell you right now, you can be $15.2 million. The biggest smile on my face for the rest of my life. Let's get this ad close. We got XRP price airs this next move at the forum and 25 million XRP get shifted. We see it right here, transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown new wallet. This is what you want to see, XRP massive amounts being moved around between my wallets. Talked about this in first video day. You do not want to see XRP being shifted or being moved to the exchange. You want to see be taken off the exchange. This is what we call a whale. This is $280 million worth of X or P, folks. Chinese hacker. Let me get my ticker caught up here. Chinese hacker. Well, now they're using fake Skype apps to target crypto users on a new phishing scheme. Please pay attention to these hackers that come at you on YouTube. They come at you on Skype, they come at you on Discord. You'll meet people. I've tried to impersonate me in Discord and trying to get crypto from you. No one is ever going to promise that if you send them your crypto, they will send you to X back. You just have to use common sense. And you got to use your own head here, folks. It's not gonna happen. TJ Beta Valve put this out overboard. XRP RSI can take XRP to 90 cents, and we talked about this a little bit in first video a day. Eager Crypto sent them to us, and XRP is overbought. What happens when something's overbought usually tends to go on up, folks. RSI, we can see an outbreak, and then Dr. Fenton wants to make it very clear to you where this thing's going. He goes, it's still struggling, that 66-cent mark. He goes, the thing I like is that we set the ultimate level for XRP weeks back. The thing I did not like is we closed below here 2 days in a row. The side move is continuing between 66 and 61 cents, and the latter becomes very important. We can touch here because we stay below the target level. The target is still to hit 87 cents and $1.05 in the very short term. But the prereqs progressed crescent was it here is the stay above 66.5 cents. Let me blow this Charla field. 6,166 cents is still in play. Don't get freaked out if you see XRP dip below. Okay, these numbers are still in play here. What we are still looking at and what the chart is still lining up for is for XRP to make its powerful move to get us above the dollar before the end of the year will be beautiful for us leading into the bull run next year, halfway through each one half one. So Q1 and Q2 of 2024 is going to be a very important time for the crypto markets as a whole. What do we want to see? It's very simple. We want to see Bitcoin push up and break its all-time high and get into that $70,000 to even $120,000 range. We want to see the total cryptocurrency market cap get above $4 trillion and take it anywhere to 4 to 7 trillion. At that point, we want to have an XRP that is above $1. We then want to see the markets rotate out of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we want to see the rest of the cryptocurrency market gets pumped. We want to see XRP get pumped as well. If that is a piece at $1, 5x. 1 is very simple, but 10x can happen as well, leaving us in at $5 to $10 XRP mark. If we do get the institutions coming in, we can see XRP get as high as a $1 trillion market cap, which would put us at a $20 XRP. All of these targets are still valid. In order for these targets to become invalid, we need to see a crazy crash in the crypto markets. We need to see XRP get back around a 30 to 40 cent level. That's why I'm saying we do not want to crash. We want to hold these numbers, and we actually want to get a push up the higher we go now. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.